Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what I consider to be the best daisy wall stickers available in the market right now. If you're looking to add a touch of floral elegance to your living space, these decals might just be what you need. Let's explore what makes them stand out. These daisy wall decals come in a set of 12 sheets, each featuring beautifully designed flowers that are perfect for nurseries, kids' bedrooms, or any space that could use a bit of natural charm. They're made from high-quality vinyl, ensuring durability and ease of use. First off, these decals are incredibly easy to install. No need for extra tools or professional help. Simply peel off the backing and stick them onto any clean, smooth surface like walls, tiles, or even furniture. They're also waterproof, which means you can place them in areas like bathrooms or kitchens without worry. Each sheet measures approximately 11.81 by 11.81 inches, giving you plenty of coverage to create your desired floral arrangement. The design is fresh and delicate, adding a cheerful vibe to any room. These stickers are versatile, suitable for various surfaces including walls, glass, metal, and more. Whether you're decorating a nursery, classroom, or office, these daisy decals will brighten up the space effortlessly. Users have praised these decals for their ease of use and longevity. They adhere well and can be repositioned without leaving sticky residues, making them ideal for those who like to change up their decor. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for high-quality daisy wall stickers that combine beauty with practicality, look no further. These decals from TaoBary offer great value for money and are sure to transform your living space into a floral paradise. If you're interested in these daisy wall decals, I've left a link in the description below where you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.